Hi everyone, let us see how to create pre-booking on Salesforce. Open your Salesforce app, go to Enquiries tab, select the enquiry to which you want to send pre-booking. I have already created an enquiry on my name Rajesh Arelli. Now click on Show More options, click on pre-booking, check whether the mentioned name is right, click on Vehicle and you can enter registration amount, temporary registration and hypothecation. Click on Edit option adjacent to components, select extended warranty, tick loyalty, insurance, FASTag charges and road tax. Now click on Save. Click on components. Extended warranty and loyalty charges are calculated automatically. Now enter insurance amount, FASTag charges and road tax, which is also called as life tax. Refer price list and enter life tax. As per the price list, I have entered 45,740 rupees. Now enter other charges as basic accessories kit, which is amount 4,964, and mention basic kit in other charges so that it will clearly mention and indicate customer what is the charges about. And if any accessories you can enter, otherwise you can go to offer. Click on Edit option in offers. Now select all suitable offers. I am clicking on others and now click Save. After saving, you have to click on Offer. Consumer offer will display automatically and mention other discount whatever and ensure that subtotal is equal to the total discount given. Now select loyalty details as yes. Mention finance amount if customer is taking loan, and you can check the total on-road price net of discount. After checking everything, now you can click on pre-booking. It displays the next page where you are supposed to enter your billing address. Now I am giving my address line as Begumpet. Now enter PIN code. Select from the list and city and state selects automatically as per the PIN code. Now you have to mention bill to document type, either PAN number or Form 60. PAN number is mandatory to collect from the customer. For instance, I am using Form 60 and giving a reference number like 12345. Fill bill to GST only if you are billing to a company name with valid GST. Kindly click copy bill to shipping address also so that you no need to enter the address again. Now click next. Here you can use this screen to calculate the loan amount and EMI so as to show to the customer. And enter the booking amount. I am entering the booking amount as 5,000. Sale type is individual. Banker's check. Give the reference number and click next. Show all the terms and conditions to the customer and click on I agree with the terms and conditions. Click next. Now you need to mention customer's preferred delivery date. Suppose I am asking delivery on 18th as a customer. Then mention tentative delivery date as per the waiting period and availability so that this will avoid miscommunication as well as complaints regarding waiting period vehicles. Set the date and capture customer signature in the given place. Capture the signature and click on Save. You can view the notification that signature registered successfully. Now click on Generate Confirmation Code, which is OTP has been generated successfully and sent to customer registered mobile number. Now collect the OTP from customer. See, I have got the OTP. You can view the message on my screen. 852518 is your new car pre-booking OTP. Please share with authorized MSIL dealership employee, which is clearly mentioned. Now I am entering the same OTP here, 852518. By clicking on next, the pre-booking will be generated. See, the pre-booking of enquiry has been successfully created. To view your pre-booking number, go back to customer details and just scroll up. The enquiry stage is marked as pre-booking. Just scroll up so that you can see the booking details, which is almost at the bottom of this page. See, here is your pre-booking number.